In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GitHub Copilot in VS Code in just 5 minutes. We've all been there staring at a project and wishing we had a little assistance to get through tough coding challenges. That's where GitHub Copilot comes in, a brilliant assistant that can help generate code for you in a snap. Let's dive into setting it up so you can supercharge your coding experience. To get started, open up your Visual Studio Code. You can almost feel the anticipation of what this powerful coding environment can offer with just a few tweaks. Now, with Visual Studio Code open and ready, the next step is to head over to the Marketplace extension. This is where the magic happens. Click on Manage Extensions to start exploring the possibilities. Once you've clicked Manage Extensions, it's time to navigate to the Extensions tab. This tab opens up a world of extended functionalities for your VS Code, making coding easier and more efficient. You'll want to click on Marketplace, where you can search through an extensive range of plugins, but today we're focusing on finding GitHub Copilot. In the search bar, type in GitHub Copilot and press Enter. You should see the GitHub Copilot extension showing up in the results. It's like striking gold, ready to transform your text editor into a tool packed with AI superpowers. Click on Get It Free. This action will initiate the process of installing a tool that's designed to assist you with code suggestions and more. Once you've selected GitHub Copilot and clicked Get It Free, spot the Install option. Click it and watch as the Copilot begins to integrate into your coding environment. The installation process is straightforward and quick, bringing you one step closer to having an AI helper at your fingertips. After installation, you will need to sign in with your GitHub account. This part is crucial because GitHub Copilot requires a subscription to access its full features. Having made this investment, you'll be able to leverage its capabilities completely, making coding tasks feel less like work and more like a creative endeavor. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've enabled GitHub Copilot in your Visual Studio Code. You're now ready to test out its features, gain code suggestions, and perhaps even discover new efficiencies in your coding projects. Remember, Copilot is there to assist you, suggest alternatives, and speed up your programming process. Engaging with this tool can genuinely change the way you work with code, allowing for experimentation and enhancement of your current workflows. So, sit back and let GitHub Copilot be your guide. Happy coding!